Hey guys, how are you? I hope you guys are well. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress in 90 seconds. So, a lot of people can't believe that how is this even possible. So, I will show you in this video how you can install WordPress within 90 seconds. So, let's see how it goes. So, for that, you need to open local by Flywheel. So if you don't know what is local and how to install it, so I made a video on that. If you want to know the process of the installation of local, you can see the video. So this is the video of local Flywheel installation. If you want to see it, I will drop the link on the description below. You can watch it from there. So yeah, there it is. This is the local, and as you can see there is a plus button on below the local. Click on here and click a new site and press continue and write your site name. So for example, my site name is test site. Okay, then continue, preferred, and WordPress username. For me the name is Sazzad and the password is 1234. So I will give in my email address and press add site. So the installation has been started. You don't need to do anything more. It will take some few times and you just wait and watch what's gonna happen. So yeah, the installation has been completed. So as you can see, it is very easy. So that's how you can check it out. So open WP or admin. So yes, there it is. There is your admin panel dashboard. Now you have to give the username. For me, the username is Sacha and the password is 1234. So there it is. This is my WordPress admin dashboard. So it is very easy. You can check it out. So if you want to visit your site, you can click here. So there it is. This is the WordPress site. So I hope it will help you to install WordPress in 90 seconds. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So thank you.